So you're going on vacation. Have a great time, but let's not let a dental problem mess up your long-awaited vacation. Here are some tips to help you with your dental health when you're out of town. First, if you have a tooth that's been talking to you, I mean, a few months ago it started to hurt, but then it went away. And then it came back and it lasted a few more days until you found that old antibiotic in the medicine cabinet and that made it go away. Well, next time it's going to come and it's not going to go away. And you don't want to be out on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean or in a foreign country or a strange city where you don't know any dentists and have a dental problem. So please, prevention will be the best medicine. Get in to see your dentist maybe a month before your vacation. Give him or her a chance to fix the problem, and that way it'll solve a lot of things that won't go bad when you're away. Next, when you're out of town, take your dentist's name and phone number in your phone. You'd be surprised at how many problems we can solve with a simple phone call. If you're having something like pain or swelling, when you call your dentist, have the number of a local pharmacy with you so that perhaps we can call in a prescription for an antibiotic and help solve a problem until you can get home. Next, of course, you want to take your toothbrush and your dental floss with you. If you forget your toothbrush, well, most hotels, if you go down to the lobby, speak to the receptionist, they have some spares and they can give it to you. Let's say you're in a foreign country and you don't drink the water there. Well, you don't want to use that tap water to brush your teeth. Take a bottle of water into the bathroom with you, put the bottled water onto your toothbrush and use that and rinse your mouth with the bottled water so you don't get that contaminated water to perhaps cause you a stomachache. Next, some people have crowns on their teeth or they've got lots of fillings. If you go to the drugstore, many places sell an emergency toothache kit that will help you re-cement a crown that comes loose, or if you have a filling that comes out, you can put in your own filling and it will hold things together long enough for you to get home. So those are my quick tips for your vacation. Have a great time, and remember, you don't want to be out there on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean, perhaps with one of those big buffets that you can't eat because your tooth is hurting. Oh, and by the way, be careful with what you eat on those buffets. Sometimes they have things like hard nuts or hard pretzels or ribs with the bones, and that can break a tooth off, and that's a mess. So be careful, use a little common sense. You'll have a great time on your vacation. Thanks, and please click the like button, leave comments, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you at our next video.